Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options here and welcome back to my channel. And today if you see, the markets were very confusing, right? We opened with a gap up and basically we hit our target at the gap up itself, and then there was a lot of volatility throughout the day, right? And that's why I said if you open with a gap up, keep your quantity less. Thing with Nifty is that we did not open with a very big gap up, and in Nifty if you see, we basically consolidated over here for a while, and then if you see, there was a good sell off in the end. So what does this sell off indicate? Because you know, now if you see in the daily charts, Nifty has made a bearish engulfing candle, right? And second thing to watch out for is that Nifty looks like it is giving a breakout failure over here, right? It is getting ready. I'm not saying that this is a breakout failure already. When will it be a breakout failure is below 21,900, because there is a gap over here. This zone will act as a support. And what market, if it market has to go up, market needs liquidity, right? So what market will do is that market will show everyone by going below 22,000 that yes, we are giving a breakout failure, right? One thing which can happen tomorrow is that market could sink a little bit more till 21,900 over here, and then 21,900 to 850 is a very good support zone. If this support zone is broken, then we can say that yes, market has given a breakout failure, and now we can easily expect 21,600 also on the downside. After which, if this zone is not protected, 600 to 500, this zone is not protected, then we can say that yes, the trend has now reversed, and now Nifty has also given a breakout failure. So chances are Nifty will not stop for a long time and it will fall down very easily, right? So I hope this is very clear to you guys. Again, what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. If we open flat and start crossing 22,000, do not buy immediately. Wait for Nifty to at least sustain below 22,000 for 10 minutes, right? If Nifty is sustaining below 22,000 for 10 minutes, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position in Nifty till 21,920 on the downside. We can easily capture this momentum. Chances are if we sustain below 22,000, if we sustain below 22,000, a lot of writers are standing at 22,000, right? So they will start squaring off their positions, because of which Nifty will be pressurized to move down till 21,920, right? That will be your easy target on the downside. You can also keep your book some profit at 21,960 and then book some at 21,920, because what happens most of these times near these round numbers is that there is a lot of volatility, right? Because again, some will think that we should buy, some will think that we should sell, so there is a lot of volatility near these round numbers. So you can think of taking maybe a small trade over here. That is also fine, right? If we however open with a gap down, let's say with a 100-point gap down somewhere near 21,950, below 22,000 itself, then if you are seeing that market is taking support from 900 to 880, in 920 to 880, in this zone, if you are saying that market is making a positive price action, then we can again think about taking a buying position from here. Because as I said, market will show everyone that okay, there is a breakout failure happening, there is the double bottom, or you can say cup and handle breakout that happened in the market. This could very well be a breakout failure, right? And everybody will start shorting. That means a lot of sellers will come into the market, because of which we will once we again go up, there will be very much more short covering, which will push up to 22,500 and 23,000 on the upside. Again, I'm not saying that markets are going to go at that level, right? So I hope it is very understandable for you guys. 20 21,900 to 880 will be a very important support to watch out for tomorrow. If that is not being held, and if the market is continuing to sink below that level, then chances are that market will either be sideways or stay volatile for a little more while. But yes, we will stick with our plan of buying a little of buying at lower levels, and basically buying at dips and then selling at higher levels, right? So I hope this is very clear for you guys. If you open the gap up, we can't really do anything, because then market will be very volatile. So it's best to not trade anything for tomorrow and let the market decide where it wants to go, and then we can see what we can do in the coming days, right? Talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty was pretty much sideways for today. If you see, just moving in this range, in the end it tried to break down, but it was in the end, so doesn't really matter, because the closing weighted average closing has come higher, right? Again, it was Bank Nifty's expiry, so you could expect a little bit of sideways momentum in Bank Nifty, right? we were expecting a little bit of sideways momentum. Now 46,700 to 600, this zone will be very important. Now let's not take 46,800 that I said yesterday, because this was only for one day. Now it does not really carry so much moment, basically does not really carry so much importance. Now this zone is important, 600 to 700. If you are seeing that market is coming near this zone, and market is trying to say take support, making positive price action or holding itself near this zone, then you can think about taking a long position from lower levels. And again, from there we can keep our targets at 46,900 first of all, and then 47,100 on the upside, right? These will be our two targets for tomorrow. Then chances are market may be a little volatile over here at higher levels, right? Because market then will face a resistance from all these levels over here, 47,200, 47,250, even 47,100 on the upside, right? So you can think about squaring off your positions then. But yes, 47,600 to 700, 46,600 to 46,700 will again be a level where people will think that there is a breakout failure happening, right? So chances are either the market will hold that level and go up, or the market will continue to move down and sink down and give us a breakout failure. Two things can happen, right? Now again, if we are bullish on the market, then that's the best place to take a buying position with a small stop loss, right? It's worth the risk over there, because if you see now the neckline is near 46,900. So if we go below 46,900, lot of people will start squaring off their positions, right? And then we could see a lot of sellers coming in the market, and then a lot of people could start buying again to take markets at higher levels, right? So I hope you understand this logic over here. What exactly is going to happen in the market? If you open the gap up, same thing as Nifty, can't really do anything. So it's best to not trade anything for tomorrow, right? If we open flat and start crossing 46,890 and sustain below it for again 10 minutes, then we can take a short trade over here till 46,600 on the downside, right? Because 650 is also fine, not 600. 650 till 46,650 on the downside, because then the market will sink down till 46,650 also. But best would be if we wait over here in the first half, right? If we are waiting near 47,000 itself on the first half, and in the second half if we are breaking below 46,890, then we will get this momentum in a much more faster and better way, right? If we open if we are go at opening itself, if we are breaking down, then maybe we might not get such a proper momentum in the market. With the gap down, as I said, this zone will be very important, so keep an eye out in this zone. Maybe market might not take support from this zone itself, but it looks like market will take support from this zone and go up. But if the market still sinks on the lower levels, right, we can't really do anything, because there will be supports present for the market, 46,500, 400. So again, then things will be a little bit volatile, and then we will need to give the market a few days to decide where exactly it wants to go, and then we can expect another trend on the downside or on the upside. But if it is a breakout failure that is happening in the market as of now, we will know it very soon, and then we can easily take a very good trade on the downside, right? We can get a very good selling market on the downside, because whenever there is a breakout failure, always remember there is a very big trend that is going to happen in the market, right? So let's not try to take a trade tomorrow itself. Again, I told you guys what the setup is going to be, but still, let's not get very excited about what exactly is going to happen tomorrow. But yes, if we are getting a chance to buy at lower levels, we will think about taking a trade at lower levels, because again, our outlook, if we see, is still a little bit bullish. If this is a breakout failure, we will know that also, and then we can easily change our outcome based on that, right? But one thing to note is that today is the Fed minutes, right? In the basically today is the Fed minutes in the US market. So the market, how the market reacts and how market basically interprets the all the data that is coming is going to be seen tomorrow itself at the opening itself, right? So tomorrow price action at opening will be very important. If you are seeing that market is sinking down very fast, then it's not worth taking a bullish trade over here, because the market is telling me no, don't take a bullish trade, we are going down, so wait for it. What exactly is the market telling you? If you are seeing that, you know, the selling that is coming is very fast, that means there is something bad in the market and people are selling off the stocks, right? Basically people are doing a sell off in the market because there is something bad for the market that has come, right? So don't get very very aggressive, or tomorrow itself, right? Wait for your time, because when there is the right time, that is the best time to also strike very hard, right? So again, if it is not your time, don't try to predict the market like exactly where it will go from here, or if the market reaches this level, then it will also go up that level. No, see what the market is telling you, see how the price action is coming. If you are seeing this sort of buying coming at support also, right, these are very strong supports, because if you see from here, the strong buying is coming. If your market seeing that market is showing you some sort of like support, basically buying like this, then chances are maybe market might not take support from here, maybe market might come down till 46,000, 45,800 also in the coming days, right? So just try to don't try to always be ahead of the market. Let the market tell you where it wants to go, and then you follow it behind. So I hope this is very clear for you guys. And guys, thank you for watching till the end, and I hope you also like this analysis. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.